Harbor Freight just released another batch of super coupons, and these are good through 8/16. There are quite a few coupons in this group, but I went through them and I picked out the 10 deals that caught my attention the most. Some are inexpensive shop accessories, some are better quality hand tools, and a couple of them could save you $50 or more. I'm going to show you my top 10 first. Then near the end of the video, I'll put the complete coupon pages on the screen so you can pause, pinch and expand, and look through all the other deals for yourself. Let's get started. First up, we have two US General magnetic socket holders. The 3/8 inch drive version is on sale for $12.99. Regular price on it's $19.99, so that's a 35% discount. The 1/2 inch drive version is $14.99. That one is normally $22.99, making it 34% off. These are available for either SAE or metric sockets, but the sockets are sold separately. If your sockets are constantly rolling around inside a drawer, these magnetic holders can help keep everything organized and easy to find. They can also stick to the inside of a metal toolbox, cart, or cabinet if you'd rather keep the sockets out where you can see them. Next is the Chicago Electric Fixed Shade Welding Helmet. This one is $19.99. The regular price is $29.99, so the coupon takes 33% off. This is a basic fixed shade welding helmet, not one of the more expensive auto darkening models. But for someone who only welds occasionally or needs an inexpensive backup helmet, $20 is not a bad choice. Just make sure the fixed shade helmet fits the type of welding you plan to do before buying it. Next is the Doyle 9.5 inch high leverage linesman pliers with a built-in crimping tool. These are on sale for $17.99. Regular price is $21.99, making this a big 18% discount. Linesman pliers are one of those tools that can handle several different jobs. They can grip, twist, and cut wire. The high leverage design should also make heavy cutting a little easier. The built-in crimper adds another function without requiring a separate tool. At 18% off, this is not the largest percentage discount in the group, but Doyle is one of Harbor Freight's better tool brands, and these also carry a lifetime warranty. The next deal is one of those small shop accessories that you may not think that you need until you don't have it. The US General magnetic paper towel holder is only $9.99. Regular price is $14.99, so this one is 33% off. It attaches magnetically to a toolbox, tool cart, cabinet, refrigerator, or practically any other steel surface. Harbor Freight now offers this holder in 9 colors so you can match it to your toolbox or mix things up a little. For $10, this could be a handy way to keep your shop towels within reach without drilling any holes. Next is the Merlin 3/8 by 50 foot heavy duty retractable air hose. This one is $69.99, but the regular price was $99.99, so the coupon saves you $30. It comes with a 50-foot rubber hose and 1/4 inch NPT fittings. A retractable reel can make a big difference if you're tired of dragging an air hose across the floor, then coiling it back up when you finish. You mount the reel, pull out the amount of hose you need, and let it retract when the job is done. At $30 off, this is one of the stronger dollar savings deals in my group. Just remember the coupon has a limit of 1. Next we have the Icon 8 inch 3-position slip joint pliers. These are $17.99. The regular price is $21.99, so that's 18% off. The 3-position joint gives you more adjustment than a basic pair of slip joint pliers. That can help when gripping different size fasteners, fittings, or other objects. Like the Doyle pliers, these also come with a lifetime warranty. The discount is only $4, but Icon is Harbor Freight's premium hand tool line. If you've been looking at these anyways, the coupon at least knocks down the price below $18. Next is another Doyle tool. This is the 4-pound steel cross peen hammer on sale for $14.99. The regular price is $19.99, making this 25% off. A cross peen hammer has traditional flat striking surface on one side and a narrow wedge-shaped peen on the other. That narrow side can be useful for shaping metal, starting pins, working in tighter spaces, and concentrating force into a smaller area. At 4 pounds, this is a fairly serious hammer. It is not something everybody needs, but if you do fabrication work or regularly work with heavy metal, $14.99 looks like a good price to me. Next is the Doyle 4.5-inch swivel vise with an anvil and pipe jaws. This one's $99.99, but it normally sells for $149.99. Coupon saves you 50 bucks. That is one of the biggest direct savings in this entire coupon group. The swivel base makes it easier to reposition your work. The built-in anvil gives you a small striking surface, and the pipe jaws can add some versatility beyond what you get from a very basic bench vise. $100 is still a meaningful purchase, so make sure this is the right size for the work you normally do. But if this vise was already on your list, saving 50 bucks makes this coupon worth considering. The final deal in my top 10 is the Central Machinery 20-inch 3-speed high-velocity fan. This one's coming in at only $44.99. Regular price $59.99, 25% off, and it's timely. It's hot. Fan can be move quite a bit more air than a standard box fan. That can make useful in a garage, workshop, shed, or anywhere else that gets hot and does not have great airflow. And considering the temperatures we have been dealing with lately, this may be one of the more timely coupons in the group. This coupon does say while supplies last, so this could be one of those that disappear quickly in warmer areas. Those are my top 10 favorite super coupons from this latest group. Now I'm going to put the complete coupon pages on the screen. There are several other deals that may fit your needs better than the ones I selected, so take a few seconds and look through them. You can pause the video on any page, check the product sale price, coupon code, purchase limit, and expiration date. All these coupons are good through August 16th, but availability can vary by location. Some of the better deals may also sell out before the coupons expire. As always, compare the coupon price with the regular price and make sure you're buying something you will actually use. A discount only saves you money when the tool or item fills a real need in your shop. Those are the newest Harbor Freight Super Coupons through 8/16. Let me know down in the comments which deal you think is best. And let me know whether I overlooked one that should have made my top 10. While you're here, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That helps more people find the channel and allows me to keep bringing you Harbor Freight sales, coupon, highlights, tool comparisons, and honest reviews. Y'all take care, and I'll see you in the next one.